Hola estudiantes, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your work on Quizlet. The first thing you need to do is go to Quizlet.com, log in, and then enter your username and your password. For this demonstration I'm going to use a first grade student. Okay, username and the password. Once you log in, you want to go to your classes. So this is your class. Here's where you'll see the Quizlet sets that I have assigned. So those are the ones that you need to complete. Okay? If you go to the home page, you're going to see many Quizlet sets. These are all of the ones that I have created. That doesn't mean that you have to do all of them, because some of them are for first grade, some of them are for second, for third, for fourth. So you always want to make sure that you go to your class so that you do the Quizlet set that you're supposed to. Okay? Now, if you did a Quizlet set and you want to check your progress, you can go here where it says View All, and then under your username, you're going to see Studied. Okay? And you're going to see all of the Quizlet sets that you have worked on. The green circle means that you finished that section. Okay? When you see the section grayed out, that means that the activity has not been started. Okay? When you see it bold but you don't see the green circle, that means that you started it but you haven't finished the section. Okay, so you have to keep working on it. All right, remember that you need to have at least five out of the 7 sections in order for the Quizlet set to be marked as complete. Okay, so for example, work, this one would be marked as complete because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections has been completed. Okay, schedule here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections have been completed. Okay, now when you see the circle, the green circle, and you see a number 2 or a number 3 or a number 4, that means that you've done that same section more than once. Okay, if you want to do it for fun, you can, but just know I only need you to do the section once. Okay, this is all. I hope you found this quick video useful, and if you have any questions, please message me on Microsoft Teams. Adios!